Hello, I'm Weston DW Monster Jam fan. Today is February. I can't remember the date, but I have 5 new trucks here today. So here we go. Okay, it's February 11th, 2017 today. So we're gonna be opening 5 trucks. So here we go. The first two, 2016 third one, special 4th and 5th, 2017. Okay, from this case, I don't know which case it is, we have the Max D. Okay, I have no idea what the new work. Metal Moisture, Motreads, Chrome Gravedigger, Son of a Digger, Red Max D, Team Hot Wheels Weston Motreads, Yellow Max D, Shocker Motreads, North the Nightmare. Okay. The answer is North the Nightmare. Now, the reason why I got this was because it is kind of a new shape. I do have the old one without the 2012. Driver's Cam Queen, of course I know that. Wow. 2012 Freestyle Champion. North the Nightmare. Unbelievable. Looks, I like the type of body, actually, with this stuff, man. That's cool. Okay, so that's our first truck. Perfect. Second, Power, Chrome Gravedigger, White Avenger, Son of a Digger, Higher Education Motreads, Dragon. Answer is Avenger. Jim Kohler, 2015 a World Finals truck. Sweet working. Jim found this at Walmart, found North the Nightmare at Toys R Us, and the next truck is also I also found at Walmart. Jim Cohen, let's see, Sam's Town Hotel and Gambling Hall Avenger. Let's see, just some colors, and can't read that. So, yeah, but looking sweet. White Avenger. Oh yeah. It's so hard for these trucks to get on this. Perfect. Okay, this is going to be amazing. I got a silver collection truck. Mohawk Warrior, El Toro Loco, Gravedigger, Max D, and Avenger. Okay, I can tell you it is not these two. Answer is, it's Gravedigger. Another Gravedigger truck saw Christine Anderson at Monster Jam. This is just an amazing truck. Gravedigger. Let's get this thing open. Unbelievable. Holy smoke, that is shiny. Wow, feels so weird. My goodness, it is still cool. Wow, it's slippery. Oh my goodness, that is shiny. Unbelievable, Grave Digger. You have the Grave Digger, the 4-time champion, the Flames, the monster, the house, the tree, moon. Unbelievable, just all silver. Love this truck. My best truck I've ever got this year so far. 2 more to go. Grave Digger, Son of a Digger Chrome, Mohawk Warrior Chrome, Jester X-Ray, Hot Wheels, Eltor Loco, Predator, and Soldier Fortune. Answer is Son of a Digger Chrome. Oh yeah. Ryan Anderson drives this truck. Oh my goodness. Finally I got it. Wow. That is sweet looking. Yeah. Unbelievable. We have the Son of Digger, the bones, same with the blue flames, all the monster truck crash, the Son of a Digger truck, around here the moon, you got some fire, all that stuff. That's sweet. Unbelievable. Okay, the final one. I've been waiting so long for this. Grave Digger, Predator, Team Hot Wheels Firestorm, Red Eltor Loco, Monster Mutt, Rottweiler, and Max D. Answer is the Monster Mutt Rottweiler. Haven't got this in 2000. Didn't get it in 2014. Never came out in 15 or 16. I don't know. Now, it now came out this year. I need the Dalmatian of this because I do not have it. I only have one Dalmatian, and that's the old version of it. Oh my goodness. Saw JRC Sock at Monster Jam, the driver of this. You got Monster Mutt, Race Team, Rottweiler. Oh man, the dog is black, normal, striped teeth, Monster Mutt, the purple. That's just amazing. So hopefully you enjoyed my video. We'll see you guys in the next video. And I'll see you again soon. Bye.